A signal for help. Residents of Swamp Road in St. Thomas have been living at the center of a technological cutoff. Ramada Lyons explains in this primetime news in focus report, Dead Zone.
A tree, a bottle, and a cell phone.
Yeah. Yeah. Alright.
That's a technique that predates modernity, but one several residents of Swamp Road in St. Thomas rely on for connectivity. They cut a plastic bottle, put their cell phones in it, and nail it to a tree. Why? The higher the altitude, the better the chances of sending and receiving calls.
There are 6-7 phone in night. So when your phone ring now, you have to just go right there and press your talk. If you can't move it, if you move it, signal gone.
In 2022, Digicel installed a new cell site in Lloyd's district, a neighboring community. Lester Campbell lives in close proximity, and having to walk 1 mile to make calls before, he's now among the few who benefit. But he admits it's not consistent, and because of that, fears are high as to what could happen in an emergency.
If we have an emergency, we're in trouble, you know, because when they shoot a youth up the road here, they're going to try to get to the police through the phone, and then couldn't get no good signal.
It's a tragic story the community knows all too well. 29-year-old Romain Wright was shot twice by thugs about 8:20 p.m. on July 8, 2021 in the community. The mother of his 2 children called the police for 30 minutes to no avail. As each call dropped, Mr. Wright lost blood. It was not until 8:50 p.m. when help came, but at that time, it was too late.
Oh my God, up this side, we now get this signal properly. This is a no-no, dead zone.
Keith Lawrence has lived here for over 40 years. He's gone through many phones, but has never experienced any of them ringing while at home.
You can't get no call. Natural bridging. If you see my phone right now, no service. I come out of the yard to the gate. If I want to contact any one of my people, I have to go out on the street, go down by the road to get a contact. Honestly. Down by the road, Lights Gate, go down more. In the district, Yalas.
But that's when he wants to make the call. He never knows when someone will call him. And that's left many people who try to reach him frustrated.
All of my connection them lose through that. Enough people miss a call. Some people say them name, but they call me again. And them just a call and a call. All my data them.
There's no signal for you get to even talk back to the person. Nothing at all. You understand me? So more while you have to even leave out of the district, go way down the road where you can really get like a signal to talk to the person.
A 2020 study by the Inter-American Institute of Agricultural Sciences entitled Rural Connectivity in Latin America and the Caribbean listed Jamaica in a low connectivity cluster. Now in part 2, another community with the same issues and telecommunications providers respond. Ramada Lyons, TVJ News.